Hey guys, so I'm really excited because I just received this globe for reviewing purposes and I think that it's a really nice one. It has a retro design that I think that it's really nice. It comes really well protected. I'm gonna take first everything out of the box. It comes with bubble wrap, it has the base and everything that we are gonna need, okay? It also lights up, which I think that it's great, and you got all the things that you're gonna need to place the base and use the lighting functions right here, okay? As you can see, we get the cable and a Phillips head screwdriver, okay? The main unit, it's quite nice. You can see it has a retro design that I think that gives it a nice feeling. As you can see, in here you have the angles marked upon it, and you got obviously the entire globe. I like that it has some different shapes around it. Okay, and in here we get the legend. We got some information about the scale, the population, and the boundaries. We even have some of the degrees marked upon it, and upon this side we have a little circle that we can use so we can know the time of the deities on a specific place. Okay, so for example, right now it's 10 o'clock right here, so I'm gonna adjust it. Okay, so now I'm right here. Yeah. Okay, so now that I have the time zones, I can see that the other way around the globe, it's another time zone, which I think that it's really nice. It's a nice addition. Okay, upon this side we have the port where we're gonna use the cable, and in here we have a little screw that we can take to place the base. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up and place it where I'm gonna leave it. Okay. You can discover the world in style with this 12-inch world glove, which is a perfect blend of education, decoration, and a timeless design. With a 12-inch diameter and a 16-inch overall height, this large glove makes geography easy to read and explore. There are over 50 major US cities, all that are clearly marked, along with detailed outlines of islands, straits, and densely populated regions like Europe. Every turn reveals more of the Earth's beauty and complexity, and it's designed with a retro beige finish and a medieval sailing ships printed upon the oceans. This glove brings a sense of adventure and discovery, and the pure wooden base ensures stability while adding elegance, and the widened brass color scale makes it simple to locate in a region. The 8-inch base surface can even double as a stand for your favorite ornaments. This illuminated glove is more than just a map. With a built-in LED light, it transforms into a soft, glowing night lamp, and it's perfect for classrooms, home offices, or even as a bedside decoration. Whether you use it for study, ambience, or exploration, it captivates both kids and adults alike. And as you could see, the assembly was quick and easy. And as I've said, more than just decoration, this globe is packed with detailed geographical information, including mountain, rivers, trenches, trains, continents, and oceans, helping students and geography enthusiasts deepen their understanding of the world. I think that it's a thoughtful gift for holidays, back to school, or for anyone in a passion for discovery. It's both an elegant decoration and an educational tool, and it's a timeless way to bring the world closer to home. Okay guys, as you can see now that it's already set up with base and connected, I think that it looks amazing. I decided to place it up on this corner of my room because I always felt that it was a little bit underused. And now with this globe lamp, I think it's going to be really nice. As I've said, it has different markings all around it, making it really interesting to just being looking at it, seeing all the different regions, all the places that you can see upon the globe are really nice. It comes with several markings of the seas, all the limitations, which I think that it's perfect. As I've said, I think that it's nice that it comes with the angled upon the sidebar and the time dial that comes with it. I think that it's going to be really nice, and I love that it has this really kind of like retro finish, making it a really nice piece of decoration, and I really like it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.